Hey friends, let's do Only Women Bleed guitar lesson by Alice Cooper. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tabs and chord charts to make it easier to follow along, and we'll do the slide solo at the end as well. So let's make a start. We play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting with 7 on the G, then play 7 E, 8 on the B, 7 G, and just do the 7, 8, 7 5 times. We do the 7 once on the G, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then come back to 6 on the G, and this next part we're going to repeat 5 times as well. 5 E, 5 B, 6 G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then come back to 5 on the G, and then just 5 E, B and G 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 4 on the G and 3 E, 3 on the B and 4 on the G. Do that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the intro we played through once, and the verse we just do it another 2 times. So slowly. That's our intro and our verse. Now let me play the pre-chorus for you. So this time we're doing the D shape on the 5th fret. We're just going to play 5 E, 6 on the B, 5 on the G. Do that 2 times. And end on 5 on the E. Then we're just doing the C chord, 3 on the E, 5 on the B, 5 on the G 2 times. And then finish with 3 on the E. Then we're playing 3rd fret on the E string, open D, open G, open B, and then play 1st fret B, pull off to the open, 2nd fret G, open B. So then just play open D, open B, G, D. Then 3rd fret on the E string, open A, 1st fret A, 2nd fret A, and then we have 3rd fret B, open G, open D, and do that again. So then come back to 1st fret on the A, 2nd fret on the B, open G, 2nd fret on the D, do that again, 2, open 2. And then open A, 1st fret on the B, open G, open D, do that again, and then just finish on a D, sus 2D. So that part slowly. Our pre-chorus there. From there we have our chorus, and it's just our first riff that we did in the intro. Just play it through once, and we have a second guitar, so let's have a look at that. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps me out. So let's get back into it. So let me play that second guitar for you. So we just play a G chord, do a down strum, then do an up strum, then play the open B, hammer onto the 1st fret, play 3rd fret on the E, then just play open B, 1st fret B, and then just strum the G chord again. And that's our chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same as before. And we also have the pre-chorus next. Guitar 1 does exactly the same as the other pre-chorus. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So guitar 2 is just strumming once at the start of each bar. So we start on this F chord. So you're going to play 3rd fret D, 5th on the G, 6 on the B, 5 on the E. Then just play a C bar chord, a G bar chord. Then we're doing the same chords as our run down. We have 2nd fret on the A, open D and G, 3rd fret on the B. Then come back, 1st fret on the A, 2nd on the D, open G, 2nd on the B. And then open A, D and G and 1st fret on the B. And then our sus, D sus2 to finish. And that's guitar 2 there. Then we have our second chorus. And the only thing that's going to be different here is the end. We play the start part the same. Now this is where it's going to change. We play the 4, we do the 3, 3, 4, we do it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and then just play 3E, 3B, and then we're just doing a C power chord and a D power chord. So we play that for you. And that's our second chorus there. So we're just going to play these octave chords now. I have 6 on the A string, 8 on the G, mute the D, and we're going to play it once and then another 3 times, and down, up, down. So. Then play it again and slide up 2 frets, play it 2 more times, play it again and slide up 2 frets, 2 more times, then play it again, slide up 2 frets again, back to 10 and 12, 12 and 14, 13 and 15, back to 1 and 3 there. Then play the 1 and 3, slide up 2 frets, 2 times, 3 and 5, slide up 2 frets, 2 more times. Now this time play 5 and 7, just slide up 1 fret, and play it once, and then play it again and slide up 2 frets, play it once, and we do that through 2 times, so slowly. So then from there we just go into G and we go down, up, down, D, up, back to G, down, and then C, D, just a down on both. So C, D, and do that 3 times. And then to finish that bridge off, we're just doing the G, D, G again, the same. And then instead of going up to the 7, 7, 8, 7, we do it on the G chord. So we play the open G string and then 3rd fret on the E, 3rd on the B and open G, and we do that 3 times. And then we just finish the verse the same as we did before, back to a clean guitar there. And that just all repeats. And then we have the chorus, and that's going to be exactly the same as our last chorus. The only difference here is the last one we just strum the 4-3-3 to finish off there. Then we have the little slide parts over the top, so let's do those. So we're just playing the B and the E strings, sliding up to the 10th fret. And when I say 10th fret, I mean we play on the fret bar with our slides to go to the front of the 10th fret. Then just play 10th fret E, slide up to 15. Then play 15 E, slide up to 22. And that's the first part. Now let me play the next part for you. So this time we're just starting from 10 on the E string, slide up to 15. Then play 15 B and then play 15 E again, slide up to 17. Then play 19 on the E, 20, and then 22, slide up to 24, back to 22. And then the last slide's just the 12th fret on the G and the B. And that's all the guitar parts there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Only Women Bleed Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.